proud of me.
Okay, so my song is out. I'm in love, and I just wanted to give you guys a special something. Stomach hurts a bit.
But can I tell you something?
Probably not.
Did you just fart? Wait. Wait, mine are silent.
Do it.
I'm gonna shit.
Oh, this one's gonna be saucy.
Okay. I think I just shit myself. Legit. So I'm gonna have to go to the bathroom now.
Stuff, but like, seriously, like, don't you want a 5-star rating? Apparently not. Yeah, I just farted.
Today might be one of those days where I take the loss. Alright, I actually just canceled the rest of my meetings for the day because I can't even sit on a Zoom call without sounding like this.
Y'all ready for another one? False alarm. You know what I think about dishes? That's what I think about dishes.
Yeah.
That one was scary. My husband, this is for him. You ready? Because he doubts my skills.
This is gonna be a fucking enormous fart. I have a huge feeling.
What you know about this? I had beans today, and you know what beans means? Knock knock.
Who's there?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Cannonball one! Why did the chicken cross the road?
Get away from that.
When you're sliding into third and you feel a juicy diarrhea. is one I don't know if I can trust.
Oh my god.
Happy birthday.
I just got off work. I had a long day.
They really can't communicate it to us. Right? I'm sorry to say, we cannot give each other scritches. Heck, who's this?
Bom dia, moçada. E olha a bomba.
Very nice.
Indeed, indeed. Yeah.
Okay, I kind of like need that.
Oh, really? Okay.
Bom dia, moçada. E olha a bomba. Quarto.
Wait, I have something really important to tell you guys. Thanks.
This one for my lover, baby.
Yo, I was making like 2 different sounds.
Olha a bomba.